Hey Simplies! Welcome back to the SimplyEtc channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section and I'll try to answer them. And also, if you're not a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also turn on those post notifications so you know when I'm coming back on your screen. Alright. But before we get into this new set, I need to show you Blocked. So this is a beautiful set. I was just practicing with my hand drawing and stuff, and this is the Tetris themed nail set, and it's really nice. It's really dope. It looks techie and I love it. This is not going to be on the SimplyEtc boutique website, but if you want that set, you can request it as a Simply customized set, and boom, we'll get you there. Alright Simply, so this nail set is called Gabillion, and it's basically going to be blinged out with rhinestones. So I'm going to use, or I thought I was going to use, the little shapes rhinestones. I'm also going to use the iridescent side of these circular rhinestones, and then I want a little pop, so I'm going to add orange rhinestones to that. Now we need a base. I don't want like a clear base, so I went with a glitter base, and this glitter is iridescent, so I'm going to do 2 coats of that and cure in between each coat for 120 seconds. Also, y'all, just wanted to let y'all know that I did my nail prep. So on my natural nail, I did like the filing, the shaping. I left off my natural nail, and I did a dehydrator and a primer and cut off a little bit of cuticle, and then I went in and adhered the press-ons with polygel, and then shaved down the cuticle again, filed the shape to give it a sharper, crisper shape, and then yeah, we went into business. So they look like that. I did 2 coats of the number 16 iridescent glitter gel, and in between each coat I cured it for 120 seconds, and they look like this. It's already beautiful, but we got to take it up a notch. We got to give it that boom bap. All right. At first, I thought I was going to use the shapes. I had an idea. So I had an original idea that didn't involve those shapes. And then I was like, let me try something different. But then I wasn't really feeling it towards the end, and you will see that. So you're going to see me just kind of playing around with these 3 shapes. Well, I'm sorry, 2 shapes. Well, technically 3. And you're going to see that I'm just going to strip it all off. You'll see. But also, when I do adhere my rhinestones, I use the stuck drill glue, and then without curing, I apply the no wipe top coat on top of that, place the rhinestones, cure it, and then that's it. So this was another design in my head that I thought I was like, I wanted the glitter to show, but then I'm like, no, we gotta go hard or go home. So after, just playing around with placement, I decided that I'm gonna go with this design. So on my index finger, I'm gonna put that same design on my pinky, and then the design on my middle finger, I'm gonna put that on my ring and thumb. And it gave more of what I wanted. It gave the boom bap. All right, an insider on my life. Y'all are gonna hear like a little voice clip of me and my friend Victoria. Y'all, we were on the phone while I was doing this nail set, and y'all are just gonna hear a little bit of our silliness. All right, beware. Drink. It's so drink. Oh, drink. Drink it. It's so drink. Oh, drink, girl. I need me a little drink. Hey. Oh.
Bruh, please tell me that screen recorded the sound.
Oh my god, girl. Y'all, we were cracking up. Do you hear me? Oh my goodness, it was so funny. But we do that all the time. Like we just do that all the time. But also I guess it was really funny because the lag was serious. Okay, like whenever we do something like that, we can't keep time with each other because electronics. But yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all get back to watching. Boom, bap, boom, bap, boom, bap. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Like, this is Gabillion. Gabillion is in the building. Stop playing with her. This is my best set, well, one of my best sets. Gabillion definitely received her attention. Okay, she was the star hand, and I love it. The orange is popping. The rhinestones it just screams me. Like, when I tell y'all I want my nail sets to be seen a mile away, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. And they were seen a mile away, baby. Compliments like crazy, all right? But I expect that. What? But yeah, as y'all admire that. So, this set is going to go on the SimplyEtc boutique website. Because why not? Like, what? So, if you want to purchase this set, I'm going to make a post when I put it up for sale, but I'm going to put information on my business in the description box. So if you want to buy another set that I've done on YouTube or outside of YouTube, you can definitely order there, and it's going to be in the description box. But y'all, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer them, and make sure that you subscribed if you're not, because baby. And then if you are subscribed, turn on those post notifications so you know when I'm coming back on your screen, period. But all right, I'll see y'all on the flip side. Bye.